Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Chinmay's unboxing platform. So today we have a Portronics wireless keyboard with mouse. So let's go ahead and unboxing this package. Very tight package. I tried to open it earlier also. It was right. Only I found a gap for which I can pull that out. Yeah. So here we go. Here we have this Portronics keyboard and mouse. So it's like see, it is this much. Let's keep this aside. Some billings. Looks trendy, looks nice. Let's see. Oh, here is this package. Sorry for the noise. See. Here is the keyboard. I guess I ordered blue with white. I don't know how I got this, as I did order for this other color one, but somehow this is one. So this is another. Let's keep aside this box. So here what we have got. Whatever like I was expecting, it is not up to that mark, but it is fine for me. I just got it on a offer price from the grade membership, like it's half of this price, actual price. So they have not included any batteries, so you have to add it yourself, buy it and add it. They have given a adapter so as to you can put it into the laptop or computer USB drive, and that will activate your wireless connectivity. This is that. Yeah, it's little smooth, like it's smooth. You will not get noises from here. It is not noisy, but the material is not that sophisticated one. It's like not that premium feeling. It is not coming actually, but that's fine if you just for the purpose it will solve. Okay. This also it's pretty like we cannot say like it's it's large or small, but fine, it's fine. But it could have been little better. Like being a programmer, I don't think it will fit for me, but I'll try to accommodate for few days, and let's see if that suitably works for me or not. Here also you have some batteries. One battery will be required here. One AA battery. So, but whatever I was expecting and what I heard from sites and all, and that is not really up to that standard. So but yeah, for me it is fine because I have got it in under an offer period. So they have the clamps. Yeah, you can say like keys are smooth. It is not that noisy, and yeah, pretty much comfortable. Like it's similar to the keyboard size that you have in your laptops. Basically, I have a 14-point laptop, two laptops. So that is like yeah, that's fine. Let me collect few batteries and we'll wrap that up early. Maybe I'll cut this part. So I got two batteries. Whatever I had, I did not know like they will not be providing these batteries, or else I would have got it. Let me put it in the mouse also. And there is no power control button. Huh? You cannot on and off this. So once the batteries are in, it will utilize the power. I don't know whether if it has an auto power off mode, or maybe like to say batteries, like few of stuffs they are providing. So this is what I have. So yeah, it's now the power button is blinking. So if you look at here, that means it is on. If you could see. Okay, let's see how this works. I have a laptop like so. Let's see if this works. I just made it as a tablet, and let's see if this works for me. I'll maybe keep it here. Or maybe for the proper visibility at least. For here. You know, this video is going to be very bad. Yeah, see, just started working now. So if you can see my screen, so if you could see the mouse pointer here, you can see the mouse pointer, it is started working. Okay, let's see if the mouse keyboards are also working. That's cool. See, it is working. See, this should work. I'll just lock my computer. Automatically detected. I did not have to connect to it, so it automatically detected this keyboard by this computer. So I just let me just lock it from here. Okay. So Windows and L. See, this locked. So I enter and it will start. I'll enter the pin. It automatically opened it for me. And if I look at the mouse pointer here, maybe if you could see, I don't know whether you would be able to see it or not. So keyboard, it is coming as like keyboard and pen, it is showing. Yeah, that's all. Like it is well connected to my laptop now. So this mouse pointer is also working, the keyboard is also working. I'll then start with some code pieces and see how this writings are happening now. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.